Welcome to the official audio-video overview for the proposed IPO of Rajputana Stainless Limited. We are engaged in the business of manufacturing of long and flat stainless steel products comprising of billets, forging ingots, rolled black bar, rolled bright bar, flat and putty, and other ancillary products. We offer our products in more than 80 diverse grades of stainless steel. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and use by residents of India only. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead manager, BRLM and the company that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit the video. Please note that neither the company nor the promoters of the company are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should not rely on the draft red herring prospectus and shall rely only on the disclosures made in the red herring prospectus to be filed with the Registrar of Companies Gujarat, SEBI, BSE and NSE upon receipt of observations and in-principle approvals from regulatory authorities as the case may be. The details of the price band and minimum lot size will be decided by our company in consultation with the book running lead manager and will be disclosed in compliance with the Securities and Exchange Board of India, Issue of Capital and Disclosure Requirements, Regulations 2018 for making an investment decision to the issue. Caution: this video provides only the salient features of the issue and accordingly, potential investors should not rely on this video. Any decision on whether to invest in the equity shares must be made solely on the basis of the RHP to be filed with the Registrar of Companies Gujarat, SEBI, BSE and NSE upon receipt of observations and in-principle approvals from regulatory authorities as the case may be. Any potential investor should note that investment in equity shares involves a high degree of risk. And for details relating to such risks, see the section titled Risk Factors on page 39 of the draft red herring prospectus. The company and BRLM and their respective affiliates, directors, officers, agents, representatives, advisors and employees do not accept any liability whatsoever, direct or indirect, that may arise from the use of the information contained in this video. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms and by influencers, finfluencers, since the same is not authorized, approved, commissioned, paid by the company or its promoters, directors, KMPs or SMPs in any manner. Any such posts, including on social media platforms, may be illegal in certain jurisdictions and only certain categories of persons may be authorized to access such information. Such posts, including on social media platforms, do not constitute an offer or solicitation of an offer or any advice or recommendation to purchase, sell or transact in any of the company's securities. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the RHP to be filed with the Registrar of Companies Gujarat, SEBI, BSE and NSE upon receipt of observations and in-principle approvals from regulatory authorities as the case may be and price band advertisement. The details of the price band and minimum lot size will be decided by our company in consultation with the book running lead manager and will be disclosed in compliance with Securities and Exchange Board of India, Issue of Capital and Disclosure Requirements, Regulations 2018 for making investment decision. The offer comprises of the fresh issue of up to 1 crore 90 lakh equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each by our company and an offer for sale of up to 35 lakh equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each by the selling shareholder. The company was incorporated in 1991 and has its registered office at 213 Madhwas, Halol Kalol Road, Kalol, Panchmahal, Gujarat, India. Rajputana Stainless Limited has been engaged in the steel manufacturing business for over 3 decades. Throughout the years, RSL has expanded its production. The manufacturing facility is located in Panchmahal district, Gujarat and is equipped to produce a diverse range of products including of billets, forging ingots, rolled black bar, rolled bright bar, flat and putty, and other ancillary product. RSL's manufacturing facility is strategically located with the availability of transportation, ensuring convenient transportation of our products. RSL's manufacturing facility is equipped with an induction furnace, argon oxygen decarburizer, continuous casting machine, heat treatment facilities, oxygen and nitrogen plant, rolling mill, and bright bar shop. RSL as on June 30, 2024 had an installed melting capacity of 48,000 metric tons per annum, rolling capacity of 36,000 metric tons per annum, and bright bar capacity of 6,000 metric tons per annum, heat treatment facility of 25 tons per batch size, and oxygen and nitrogen plants having installed capacity of 350 SCM per hour and 250 SCM per hour respectively. The company's key customers include Venus Pipes and Tubes Limited, Hindustan Inox Limited, Amor Inox Limited, DH Exports Private Limited, Maximum Tubes Company Private Limited, Suraj Limited, and Sieves Manufacturer India Private Limited. This diverse customer base indicates the capability of RSL to meet demand emerging from sectors including infrastructure, automotive, engineering, oil manufacturing, and utensil manufacturing. Majority of our products are primarily sold domestically through direct sales and traders network. In addition to catering domestic market, presently our products are being exported to 5 countries in the international market, that is UAE, USA, Turkey, Kuwait, and Poland. Investors should note the following important risks. We derive a significant portion of our revenue from operations from our top 10 customers, and we do not have long-term contracts with all of these customers. If one or more of such customers choose not to source their requirements from us or to terminate our contracts or purchase orders, our business, cash flows, financial condition, and results of operations may be adversely affected. Our manufacturing facility and proposed facility is located in Gujarat, and therefore our operation is highly vulnerable to regional conditions and economic downturns in the region. We rely substantially on our top 10 suppliers of the raw materials and work-in-progress goods used in our manufacturing processes. Any shortages, delay or disruption in the supply of the raw materials we use in our manufacturing process may have a material adverse effect on our business, financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. We derive a majority of sale from the domestic market, and a significant portion of our domestic sales are derived from the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Uttar Pradesh. Any adverse developments in this market could adversely affect our business. We derive a substantial portion of our revenue from the sale of our products, and any loss of sales due to a reduction in demand for our products could adversely affect our business, financial condition, results of operations, and cash flows. Further, our inability to successfully diversify our product offerings may adversely affect our growth and negatively impact our profitability. Rajputana Stainless Limited is promoted by Shankarlal Deepchand Mehta, Babulal D. Mehta, Jayesh Natwarlal Pitwa, and Yash Kumar Shankarlal Mehta. Three crore 63 lakhs 14,500 equity shares of the company are held by the promoter selling shareholder, who is selling up to 35 lakh equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each. As on the date of the filing of this draft red herring prospectus, our company has 65 shareholders. As on the date of this draft red herring prospectus, we have 6 directors on our board, comprising of 1 managing director, 1 whole-time director, 1 executive director, and 3 independent directors, out of which 1 is woman director. Our key financial performance indicator for 3 months period ended June 30, 2024, Fiscal 2024, Fiscal 2023 and Fiscal 2022 are detailed below. Except as stated in this section, there are no outstanding criminal proceedings, actions by statutory or regulatory authorities, claims relating to direct and indirect taxes, disciplinary actions including penalties imposed by SEBI or stock exchanges against the company, the directors, the promoters, and the group companies, including outstanding action, or material litigation as defined below involving our company, its directors, the promoters, and the group company. For further details of such outstanding legal proceedings, see Outstanding Litigation and Material Developments on page 389 of the DRHP. Our company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the fresh issue towards funding the following objects: funding capital expenditure requirements for setting up of manufacturing facility for stainless steel seamless pipes to expand our product portfolio, funding working capital requirement for the proposed facility, full or part repayment and or prepayment of certain outstanding secured borrowings availed by our company, and general corporate purposes. IPO will be conducted through book building process. The offer is being made pursuant to Regulation 6(1) of the SEBI ICDR Regulations 2018, with allotment of not more than 50% of the offer to qualified institutional buyers, not less than 15% of the offer to non-institutional investors, and not less than 35% of the offer to retail individual bidders. The equity shares will be listed on the BSE and NSE. Nearby Capital Services Private Limited is the book running lead manager. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk. An investor should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated December 30, 2024 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither the company nor the promoters and promoter selling shareholder are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.